So we're about 300 kilometers into the trip. Just passed through Golden, and we're almost at the halfway mark to Kelowna for today. But definitely driving for 4 hours is starting to wear on a bit. So we stopped for lunch, which when you're on the road traveling, you don't really have that many good options for lunch. And you end up eating a lot of garbage. And then you end up feeling even more tired than you did in the first place. So I'm going to be having a Verve right there. There you go, Verve. It's an all natural energy drink that doesn't have all the extra crap that Red Bull and Monster and all those guys are throwing in theirs. And nobody's died from drinking 10 Verves in a day. Not that I recommend it, but you don't have to worry as much about that stuff. And it's got a full dose of my daily multivitamins. So a little bit of fizz in there. Gives you that poppy taste, like what most people like to have anyway. And the nice thing is the energy from it isn't like a Red Bull where it's just bang, just tons and tons and tons of energy. It's a nice, slow, gradual release. So you get the energy as you need it. So for a driving trip like this, it's great because I'm going to have the energy that I need to finish out the rest of this leg, which we got just over 4 hours left. We should get to Kelowna about 4.5 hours from now. And this will keep me going for 5 or 6. So yeah, if you haven't seen it before, you should definitely check this stuff out. It's Verve by Vima. There it is there. Anyway, we'll check in with the next leg of the trip once we get to Kelowna. So we made it to Kelowna. Got a great view of the, I don't know, the lake. Yeah. The Ogopogo, got the valley. Everything's looking good. Cars perform beautifully. Mostly beautifully.
They perform beautifully.
Yeah.
Once they got going.
So once the yellow car started, it worked good. Once the red car, it just always worked good. No problems at all. Did, 700 kilometers? Working good. So I think we're ready for a new challenge. I just got a text from the producers. It says, as you have just proved, you can buy an old car for $500 and make it through one mountain pass reliably. Many people spend money every day on useless things and never think of what else they could use it for. Your challenge is to go through the city and find other items at the store that can be purchased for around $500 that an average person would not think twice about buying. Take a picture of the item with your phone. The first person to be back here with 10 items wins. So I guess we have a race to see who can get pictures of 10 items for about $500 and be back here.
Alright, you know who's got this one.
Alright, ready, set, go! So here's a great example of $500 items. We've got a Dyson canister vacuum. We've got a Dyson whatever pull behind vacuum right there, $649. Hello? What do you mean the car won't start? Alright, I'm on my way. You know how much that was? 2 tanks of gas. Actually 1 full tank of gas, but 2 of what you paid extra in gas driving here. So you could have bought that once already with the money you spent. Big question is that stuff. This 12? Yeah.
You have that.
I was thinking you might want to start looking on Kijiji and see what you can buy for
That's what I was saying.
$200.
Well, I got 2 for myself I can put towards it.
See if you'll take a trade.
I was like, I'll just go to a record, pawn this off on him. Take the $200.
Stop. Get all those little pellets in there. That's what does the good stuff.
Oh yeah, there's stuff in there, eh? Yeah. Just like kind of gums it up. Pretty much.
Oh yeah, it's good for everything, eh? That stuff. I'm surprised cars don't come with it from the factory. Is there still stuff coming out, or is it just the same thing? You need to open that bigger. Gonna be here all night. Tomorrow morning he'll still be tap 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 tap. He kind of thought this might happen, so he brought some with him. Is this empty now? Not really. Dump it in here. There, that's good, that's good, that's good. Spout on, shake it around. Yeah, you're good at that. You've done that before. Nectar for your car. Truth.
Just gotta take it 2 more streams.
6,000 RPM, ain't no bang. Is it on? That doesn't look on.
Did it work that fast?
It's not on.
It is
It's
on.
not on.
It's on.
Okay, then how come when I go like this, it oozes? See it oozing?
Because there's all those pellets in there, not allowing that.
Take the pellets out, it's not on. keys here.
That doesn't count on that.
That's the mechanic. There. Now to close. Great.
I'll get some more of that nectar in there.
Yeah, it's closed because now it's pissing out there again. So we're gonna have to leave at like 9 tomorrow because we can't disturb the neighbors. 6 a.m. With the car all back together, Isaac forfeiting the scavenger hunt, and nighttime approaching fast, it was time to find some dinner and get some rest for the rest of the trip in the morning.